Curious lang ako kasi as a female traveler, syempre iba yung traveler ka na mag-isa, iba pa yung female pa. So that's additional, I would say parang challenge din kasi syempre the world hindi naman siya ganun ka-safe for females. How was that experience for you?
When I was younger, I was more scared. Like na, my gosh, baka may makakuha sa akin dito, ganito gawin sa akin or what. But the older you get, you'll understand you have power. You have power like to protect yourself. You have power to control any situation where you'll be. Like if I know, like for example, I was in Africa, I will not go out late at night na magpa-party, mag-iinom, maglalasing. Like, if I know I'm solo, like I make sure that I'll always be aware and that I can protect myself. So, but it comes with age talaga. Kasi your confidence, being on the road, being on your own, and being happy within yourself. Like, kasi sanay talaga ako mag-isa. I enjoy eating on my own. I enjoy like, mas mabilis kumilos eh. And kapag tas I don't dress, ipop up, halimbawa, pag gusto kong attention, of course, I will like flaunt it. Pero kapag alam ko na, nako, delikado, you'll not see me. You'll not even notice that I'm around. Alam mo yung ganun? Like, but it comes with age. When I was younger, I was more scared. But when you get older, you have more experience. And I realized that I am in control of any situation that I'll be in.